If you want to learn how to successfully verify your identity on YouTube AdSense accounts and get your money transferred into your account without having issues, this video is definitely for you because I'll be showing you the step-by-step guide on how you can verify your identity in your AdSense accounts. Verifying these things require a particular threshold, and of course, when it comes to verification of your identity and your address, you need to have reached the $10 threshold. Without reaching the $10 threshold on your YouTube AdSense account, you will not have the option to verify your identity. Okay. Another important thing I also want you to have in mind is that when it's time for you to verify your identity, you have basically just 45 days, that's like a month and 2 weeks, right, to verify that's your identity. And you only have to try like 5 times. You can only attempt to verify that identity 5 times. In case the first one gets rejected, you can redo it the second, the third. Sometimes you might only have the option to even retry just 3 times. So you might not even be as lucky as others getting the opportunity to attempt 5 times. So starting from that very first time that email was sent to you, you have 45 days to reapply or redo that your verification. And guys, failure to meet up with this identity verification will lead to the suspension of your AdSense accounts. And my darling, the moment that your AdSense account becomes suspended, ads will automatically stop showing on your channel. You won't be earning any money again. So you see how you have to be very careful in doing this thing. Okay, the document that you'll be needing to verify your identity is either your national ID card or your international passports or your driving license or your residence permits. Now, there is no option for voters card, but some people have been able to verify their identity using their voters card. I am actually one of them, even though the option is not there, but you will still be able to use your voters card in case you don't have any of these four options I just mentioned now. And before you can actually go ahead to do your verification, you have to make sure that you've already snapped the picture or the document you'll be needing. Capture the front of the ID card and also capture the back of the ID card. And of course, with the four corners or the four edges of the document in view. So right now, I'll be showing you the step-by-step process on how I actually did my YouTube AdSense account verification. So stay with me and I'll walk you through the process of it all. Okay, so now to get started, you have to go to our email. Yes, you open your Gmail and check the email that Google sent to you. Okay, remember I already did this verification yesterday, but it was rejected because of a particular thing. I used my national ID card and I don't understand the ID card I was given. The ID card had the expiry date. I'm not going to lie, but I don't understand what ID card comes with expiry dates. So now I'm using my voters card. For this, I'm no longer going to use that same ID card that got rejected. So now this is the email that Google sent to me. You need to verify identity to keep earning on YouTube. To complete this verification, you will need to provide additional information along with an image of your current government-issued photo ID, such as passport or driving license. The information that you enter must exactly match the information on your government-issued photo. If you're representing, we'll skip to this part. Oh, now, this is the part that says your identity could not be verified for the following reasons. Government-issued photos had expired, and that was why I said my national ID card did not go through. Now, I needed to take cognizance of these important points, the tips on submitting your documents. This will help you to prevent or to avoid being rejected. Now you have to capture the entire document, including all four corners. So before you start this process, make sure that you've already captured the ID card you'll be using. And make sure that you have the ID card in focus, like the four corners of the ID card in focus. Also, your image must be readable in focus and free of reflections and glare. No reflections of light on your ID as you're snapping. Incomplete or obstructed documents or dark and blurry photos won't be accepted. So make sure that your face is showing properly and that the writings on the card is readable. Okay. Also, to prevent abuse, we'll allow a limited number of verification attempts. Very careful when doing this because you keep making mistakes. You don't have all the luxury of time to keep reattempting. Be careful. The fifth one says uploading documents or photos rather than those requested may result in account suspension. Don't make the mistake of using something that you didn't ask for. So now this is where we skip to the main parts. Okay, so we have to now click on verify now. Okay, and mind you, I've already done this before, so I'm redoing it again. I'm trying to right my wrongs so I can get my AdSense verified. Okay, also note that if you're verifying for the first time, you're going to see start verification, but if you're attempting the second or third time, you're going to see restart verification. Okay, so here it is. Verification could not be completed. Yes, I already told you guys. So now we have to retry verification. I'll click on retry verification. Select ID type. The funny thing is there is no option for voter's card here. All you have is driving license, passport, that is your international passport, then your national identity card and your residence permit. So I might as well just use my national identity card. Okay, I don't have any option. There's no option for voter's card. I'll click on upload. Okay, it will take me to my gallery where I'll have to choose the image or the picture of the document I want to use. So this is what I want to use. This is the front. I have front of my ID card first, after which I'll upload the back of the ID. Okay, I've uploaded first the front of the document, so right now I have to upload the back of my ID card. Ta-da! Here it is. The next thing I'll have to do is click on next. Okay, so now this is where I have to put in my address, my street address, legal name. This is the part I have to put my phone number. So after this, you put in your town, your postal code, and your state you reside in before you click on submit. Okay, you click on submit, and tada, we have verified our identity. So now it says thanks for submitting your information. We'll review it and get back to you in a few days. So now I'm done with my identity verification, but of course I'll wait for YouTube or Google to send me an email confirming my documents, and I'm going to keep you guys posted if this particular method also worked. Okay, so you have to click on got it, and yes. You don't even know what really happened, guys. Just as I was ending the video, before I could even say Jack, in less than 2-3 minutes, I got an email from YouTube telling me that my YouTube AdSense identity verification was successful. Let's open it. Let's open it. I'm so excited. Google AdSense identity verification successful. Oh Jesus. Identity verification successful. Your identity has been verified. Please sign into your Google AdSense account and set up a primary payment method. Oh God, I so love this. You see, I told you can use even your voter's card if you don't have a national ID card. Okay, now this brings us to the end of this particular video, and thank you very much for watching. If you've not subscribed, do subscribe and turn on the notifications so that's only gonna tell whenever I make new videos. I will see you in my next one. Bye.